Today we're in Shirokë, Albania, right outside of Shkodër. This is the best place to see the lake. It's a beautiful day. It's in the mid-60s, but it feels a lot warmer than that. Let's have a look around and get some lunch. Let's go for a boat ride. This is going to be fun. Let's go in and see what it looks like here. We can eat on the lake. It looks great. I've never had spaghetti and mussels, but you know, it just kind of works, especially out here on this beautiful lake. All right, hiked up to the top of the hill to see King Zog's villa. Boy, was it a spectacular hike up here, and the views of the lake, they are amazing from up here. no better way to finish off the day than with a macchiato by this beautiful lake.